Unfortunately, sometimes accidents involve children. That can involve a different set of medical considerations, especially when there are injuries to the skeletal system. Children continue to grow and the skeletal system grows until growth plates are established. When children are very young, that can be a very important consideration as to what kind of treatment a child should have and when they should have it. We have a lot of experience dealing with claims involving children. So attending to the unique medical needs of children injured in accidents is an important part of ensuring that a child involved in the accident gets the kind of care they need to fully recover. Children can be unusually susceptible to types of emotional trauma that may affect them more severely than adults, and that's especially true when it comes to an accident. Post-traumatic stress disorder is a real disorder that can affect children much more disproportionately than adults. It's important to ensure that your child receives not only the medical care they require, but the psychological care they may also require to move past an accident. We have a lot of experience dealing with claims like that, and we're in a position to help you make the right decisions about the kind of medical providers you should consider after an accident. Children don't own their own claims. Those claims belong to their parent or natural guardian or the appointed guardian. So when we bring claims involving children, it's always the name of the guardian on behalf of the child. Minor children don't have their name in the records. It's just initials, whatever the first and last name initial may be, in order to protect their privacy. There are Florida statutes that deal with how and when special guardians need to be appointed to review a settlement to make sure that it's fair for the child. At the age of 18, the child also can have a year period of time in which to consider their claim if nothing happened with respect to it. So children don't bring their own claims. They're brought on their own behalf until they become adults at 18 when they have the claim for a year. Children have their own claims. If a family is involved in an accident and everyone was hurt separately, each child has their own claim. Obviously, it can sometimes bring up conflict of interest issues when there is limited policy money available to pay for all of the claims. It's important to ensure that you're dealing with a law firm that is familiar with these conflict issues and is in a position to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and justly after the accident. Cases involving children involved in auto accidents have special considerations. We've dealt with that now for many, many years. If you have a question about an accident involving a child, we encourage you to call us.